Ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen here, the Ice Cream Bloke. I want to invite you to come and visit me and my buddy here, Gilbert, who today are twinsies, to Conecon 2025. It's the biggest ice cream trade event in the country. West Palm Beach, Florida, the 9th, 10th, 11th of November. Scoop School always has a booth at Conecon. Let me tell you, this year is going to be the year of all years to come. We're going to have a spinning prize wheel in the booth. Madeline's going to be spinning that wheel. We've got great prizes to give away. We've got Gilbert ears to give away. We got stickers to give away. We got basically Scoop School merch. You might even win a signed portrait of me, Steve Christensen, the headmaster. Anyway, a bit of fun there. The reason for you to come to the show, it's very simple. You're never going to see everybody in the ice cream industry all in one place. Equipment, mix, toppings, cups, insurance, variegates, furniture. You've got powdered mixes, liquid mixes, gelato, yogurt. Oh, I went the wrong way then. Anyway, everything is there. I'm going to put a link down below here, conecon.org. Now you can go a little bit more inexpensive and just come to the trade show itself. It's $125 for the day. Let me tell you though, if you want the full expense, coming for the full 3 days, I'm telling you, there's been so many people who have come to that show that said it was life-changing. Let me say that again, Madeline. Life-changing. If you're planning to come, then stop by the Scoop School booth, spin the wheel, win some prizes, win some merch, talk to Madeline about some of the great deals we've got for classes, for consulting, video-based training. It's all happening at the show. We're going to give some great prizes, some discounts out. Scoopschool.com, conecon.org. Keep on scooping. See you in the next one. Actually, we'll see you at the show.